Any mention? Item number 1.
May it please your lordships. There's an application for condemnation of delay, my lord, of 227 days.
27 days. When is the judgment dated?
Judgment dated 1st April 2024, and it was filed sometime just before the notice, maybe.
Right, Miss Case A93-2024. Heard Mr. Esther Senior Counsel on this application for condemnation for delay of 227 days. 227 days stop. Therefore, issue notice returnable in 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1.
Oh, you appear?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, very good.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Oh, Union of India.
What about
On others, we have to take steps.
yes, MS R. Gurum, by Dr. N. Muzika is present except on behalf of respondent number 1. Notice to issue to the remaining respondents within 1 week. Yes. List after 4 weeks.
Hearing item number 2.
May it please Your Lordship, in
1
this...
second, where's the petitioner?
Yes, my lord, I am the appellant.
Yes, appellant.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, in this matter, I pray for some accommodation, Your Lordship, as the conducting counsel is out of station, Your Lordship.
Oh, Dr. Muzika is not here.
No, sir. You know, Your Lordship.
My lord, it's a very old case. 10 years, 11 years now.
How many years?
11 years.
What is the value of the goods seized?
1 crore 22.
1 crore 22.
Yes, my lord. And certain factual and legal issues has not been addressed by this tribunal. So either this should be, after framing the question of law, it may be decided by the Honorable Court, or it may be remanded back to the tribunal.
Has it been remanded earlier on?
Earlier also, it was remanded. But factual issues has not been addressed.
Which
So
factual issue? Regarding the source of the gold?
No. I have given from page A to Q. That is page 25 to 43, and this is case record show that appellant is the prominent jeweler in Manipur, who along with family member purchased 90 kg of gold prior to seizure. 90 kg, and that is reflected in the shockers notice from the verified this audited balance sheets. So that was not reflected. I have purchased the gold of 90 kg, bank transfer, and that was not recorded. So that should be recorded. And from that stock, I have dispersed the gold 4 kg for small coins, etc., for getting it from the Calcutta. So this it was dispersed from Imphal by the 4 employees and relatives of the appellant. On Dimapur railway station, it was seized by the RPF.
Yes, when will Dr.
Because
be
of
available? Next week?
Next week, Your Lordship.
When? Are you available next week?
Next week,
Have problem.
from 3rd to 7th, I will be out of station. After that.
We listed then after 3 weeks. Yes, mentioned on behalf of Dr. N. Mozika, the GHI is not present. Who is out of station stuff. According to the matter after 3 weeks for hearing. Yes. We take a date. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
Any mention?
Proceed. May I beg to mention item number 18?
Who's the other side? Ready with the matter?
No objection, my lord.
Why, Mr. Devnan?
I'm giving personal difficulty.
After 1 week?
Is it?
Yes. 1 week. Yes.
Lordship, I'm seeking your Lordship's indulgence for moving an unlisted motion regarding the Lordship has passed an interim order. I'm seeking a similar interim order.
What interim order regarding?
Regarding the tariff stay of recovery of retrospective bills. So it's just absolutely similar matter. Deeply obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship.
Number
14, Your Lordship.
13.
14, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No objection.
What's the matter about?
It's about the Arking matter, Your Lordship, for the segregation of the Arking.
Now less matters, you should do arcing matters a lot of time. Yes, after 2 weeks.
I love Lordship.
What do you have? You were pressing for hearing this matter last time.
Praying if this matter will be taken up next week, my lord.
Appearing for
Who's appearing for the respondent?
I'm appearing for
Nehu. Who is Nehu? Who's appearing for Nehu? You are appearing for Nehu? Who's appearing for Nehu? Main respondent.
Mr. SN is appearing for Nehu in this matter.
You are with Mr. SN? You have no objection? After 2 weeks?
After a week, my lord.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16.
Yes.
I'm
Who's
praying
for
for
the-
2 weeks' time.
For the respondent,
This is the council.
my lord, the private respondent.
Where is the council
Mr.
respondent?
Counsel, I cannot find him today, Your
Can you
Lordship.
find him?
I'll inform him.
Okay, after 1 week, yes.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Why? Where's my Chanrai? So it's out of station.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks. Inform him.
Yes.
Inform that it's a council.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
There are so few matters in the list.
Can I
Where's
have
Mr. Nongri?
He's on his legs, Your Lordship.
Any court sitting at the moment?
Yes, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Promotion, Your Lordship. No objection.
You ready with the matter?
Mr. Chula, he's ready. He's a leading counsel.
1 week, okay.
Reply, Your Lordship.
Supplementary list item number 1.
How much Chanrai was here only?
My lord, I have seen the
The last order, you've seen it?
My lord, appointment inquiry officer has been appointed. I'll
Has been
just show-
appointed?
Yes, yes. I'll just show my
They
lord.
said that, but last time,
Oh, yeah, appointed, Lord.
My lord, may kindly see page number 44.
authorized petition.
Yes, ma'am. This is issued by the secretary. Issued. Show cause notices to the petitioner. Number 1, my lord. Then the sign proposes to hold an inquiry against you under rule such and such and such.
So who's the inquiry officer?
Now the secretary,
Where's it written?
my lord, secretary at the bottom, my lord, secretary. Within bracket, it says a testimony authority, but secretary is the one.
Where is
And
that?
At the bottom, my lord, page 44.
You have to inform
On the sign is the secretary.
the undersigned proposes to inquiry against you on the rules, so and so.
Yes.
The substance which conduct.
Yes. And number 2 is you are directed to
So
submit.
how do you
with
see,
the-
where do you find that he's been appointed?
My lord, he is the one who has issued this show cause notice proposing to conduct inquiry against me and given me 7 days time to give a reply. And he is also the witness. List of witnesses.
No. See, Mr. Chanrai, so one thing is that in your cause title,
Yes.
you have also arrayed the inquiry officer as respondent number 2, correct?
Yes.
But then their contention is that There is no respondent to existing at the moment.
My lord, inquiry officer is the secretary of the managing committee.
How do you say that?
My lord, here the content of the page number 44 is clearly.
How can you get that?
My lord,
You are
para one.
further direct informed that you just submit your written statement on or for specified time, paragraph 2, or an appear in person for an inquiry officer.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you complied about the directive, because we hold inquiry against the ex parte.
Yes.
Where is he named? He is not named.
My lord, secretary is the my
Inquiry
lord.
officer is not named.
But otherwise, my lord, how para one. Undersigned is proposed to conduct inquiry.
No, this is disciplinary authority.
No.
The undersigned proposed whole inquiry, disciplinary authority will hold inquiry. Suppose you have given your show cause, and disciplinary authority will examine it. If they find that your reasoning is sufficient, then they will maybe not go ahead. But if they do not, then they will have an inquiry. They'll appoint inquiry officer.
Lord, that's
so that your submission, I don't think this court can accept.
That stage is already over. I'll just show, my lord. Page number 41. Lordship is correct. Disciplinary authority has to issue me a show cause.
Yes.
Page number 41 is a show cause issued to me by the disciplinary authority.
This is fine. They can issue you.
And my lord, on the basis of that, page number 43, I have given my reply.
See, Mr. Chareso, now they're not satisfied. See.
Therefore, they are not satisfied with my reply, page number 43. Therefore, page number 44.
And that's why at para 2,
yes,
you are directed submit to 7 days to receipt with the communicated statement of defense. Also state whether you desire to be heard in person. That's it. So have you filed that you want to be heard in person?
No.
No.
Then?
My lord, here I just clarify. First stage of issuing show cause notice to me by the disciplinary authority was done. I have given my reply. They were not satisfied with. If they are not satisfied with, then they have to proceed for inquiry, either by the disciplinary authority or inquiry officer. Now the page number 43, 44. This is the inquiry.
But they stand as not appointed inquiry officer.
My lord, after filing this writ petition, that is a stand. They never make this statement other writ petitions.
You don't file affidavit, have you?
Not in file affidavit.
If I may clarify,
and he is also one of the witness. Lordship kindly see page number.
Doesn't matter. That will go in your favor if they will initiate the whole proceedings.
Yes, exactly.
So instead of pointing out to them, helping them, you should keep quiet and go ahead and that's yes.
Your Lordship is very correct when he has pointed out the point that yes, we have not appointed the inquiry officer. Now, after they have submitted the show cause, we were not satisfied. The disciplinary authority has issued again this, proposed to hold the inquiry against the petitioner. Now, what happened now? According to the rules, the petitioner should have filed this written statement. If you want to be heard in person, then only after that we will appoint an inquiry officer. We will give all the documents, allegations.
Not only show cause.
If they are not filing, my lord, we can proceed ex parte also. It's up to them.
You draw it and file it, Mr. Chareso.
Even Lordship, that is the case, my lord. Otherwise, Lordship
otherwise it's futile to proceed with this petition. What will happen? Apart from you stalling the process, which is inevitable.
I'm not stalling the process. Lordship allows
by not filing the show cause and coming to court, by saying that inquiry officer is a witness and so on and so forth. Now you already, pointing out, fine, they will correct the procedure now. You take down.
Allow me to file my written reply.
To?
Show cause reply to the authority.
Mr. H.L. Changreso, the senior counsel with so-and-so, on the contention of the respondents, number 1, that the writ petition is premature in as much as inquiry officers yet to be appointed to conduct the inquiry. Has submitted that in this view of the matter, he may be allowed to withdraw the incident petition with liberty, however, to file a show cause before disciplinary authority within 7 days. Stop. The same is now objected to by Mr. L. Shongwan for the number 1. Number 1, yes. Accordingly, disposed of by allowing the withdrawal and further also permitting the writ petitioner on the basis of show cause dated page 44.
Dated 9 October.
19th September, my lord.
9 October 2024.
9 October also to file a show cause within 7 days of this order. Yes.
Like,
Circumstances posed up.
like,
Item number 2.
Provision is with you. Please, Your Lordship, we've got the report from both the executive magistrate and the police officer. Your Lordship.
They're still outside the gate.
Your Lordship, we are still locked out of the premises.
You have copy? Extra copy.
Jantina Janong is
She's the
She's the respondent number 4.
she's a mother-in-law, Your Lordship. And we've
She was
taken
locked
steps
out earlier.
you see that you locked out your mother-in-law.
No, Lordship, that was not the case. She was staying in the Assam house, which is in the same
In
premises.
fact, the chief
Harry
possession
11.
has been locked by a daughter,
Yes.
Mariza Janong, and husband, and they left the premises uninformed.
And without notice.
This is very strange.
Let me please, Your Lordship, it's a disputed fact because here the respondent number 4
Because it is
had
a
prayed
disputed
for-
fact, Your Lordship.
No, this is they should open the gate. Both the husband and wife are here.
Your Lordship,
No,
only the
only the
husband
hus-
is
the
here because
petitioner is
the
here.
wife had to
Wife
go
can
back
be
because
No, I
And
said
your
the
lordship,
mother-in-law
can you
is locked
see
the
that?
gate because he feels threatened by the petitioner.
Yes.
How is this court going to sit here and decide that?
No, Your
Yes.
Lordship, this is here, Lordship, because they had filed for a suit petition in the in the subordinate.
There's an order
court
over
ring.
there. If that order has been violated, they ought to have moved the lower court, Your Lordship, trial court, Your
No,
Lordship.
there's a bond also. See,
Your
the bond
Lordship,
to
there's a
maintain
breach
faith.
of the bond
When
and
the
the
bond
status
was there, Your
quo order as
Lordship,
well.
a date was fixed. A day did not appear, so now they have fixed it
Who
on the
didn't
5th.
appear?
It's the other
The lady, old lady, the respondent number 4.
respondent.
14th is big.
And it
again
was
fixed on
5 of February, Your Lordship. So in the meantime, Your Lordship, let them move the lower court for violation of
Your
the
Lordship,
court's
there's
order.
been a clear breach of the bond that has been signed between the parties and also the status quo that was passed by the
Yes.
subordinate council court.
Then
And I've been
it ought
locked
to
out
have
of the
they ought
premises.
to
I've
have
been
moved the
living in
lower
the
court, Your
hotel.
Lordship.
No, Your Lordship, here I've
Because
been locked
this
out.
is a disputed question of fact
No, it's
involved.
one thing
Property
I was
matters
saying, the thing
there.
is that there was a bond, whatever it is, orders of the court have to be complied. Why they've come by writ is because of the situation. Now she has admitted, this lady, that she's locked him out.
Your Lordship.
Locked him out or locked him in, Your Lordship?
Locked him
Because
out, see.
it looks like he was.
No.
This, even I initially thought that he was
See,
locked out,
it's
but
like
he's
this. On 24th
number
December
13, Your
20, I'll just read
Lordship.
it. On 24th December 2024, after being from Shillong, he returns residence and entered his home without any problems. His mother-in-law is present at property and she called her son John Long, who instructed her to lock the main gate and obstruct his free access to his residence, effectively stopping him from exiting or entering
On
his own
entering.
home. Or entering his own home.
On entering his own home.
Entering his
He
own
had
home, that
already entered his house.
Exiting or entering his own his own home.
Exiting
This is
on
violation of
entering.
freedom of passage. In contempt, peaceful status could be maintained.
This is up to Your Lordship.
Not up to lordship, up to the court.
Up to the court, Your Lordship.
And Your Lordship, if in the writ petition at page 45 and annexure 6 series, Your Lordship, there are images where there's
Whatever it is also, the thing is that you also, it takes two hands to clap, but in this case is that...
Your Lordship, all disputed.
Take down, yes. Where's that order of to maintain peace?
On 5/9, order
Page?
dated. Oh, this bond, Your Lordship.
Page 40, Your Lordship.
Yes. I heard MSD Sutunga Leonard petitioner. What about they are appearing this?
Your Lordship, we've
415?
served notice via registered
served, let's
post.
see.
Your Lordship, by registered post.
Awesome. Dusty service they've accepted.
Your Lordship, there's an apprehension because the petitioner had been threatened by respondent number 5 time and again, and he's been locked out also out of the premises.
Okay, yes. No notice has not yet been served upon respondents number 4 and 5 by the petitioner. Those steps have been taken on 28/1/2025. This matter is taken of consideration today, considering the emergent nature of the case. As directed by order dated 28/1/2025. MSD Yangi Bilana EAG has produced a set of written instructions which have been furnished by the executive magistrate East Khasil Shillong. It's by the executive magistrate, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Next paragraph. Heard MSD Sutunga. The complaint that's been brought before this court by way of application is with regard to the breach of a status quo order passed in, where's that thing? Annexure?
Page 40, Your Lordship.
Annexure 4.
Passed on 19 November 2024, whereby a bond was executed by the parties herein for to not commit a breach of peace or to act or to not to commit a breach of peace until completion of the said inquiry. Stop. The said bond had been executed in pursuance to an FIR that had been filed against the respondent number 5, John is 5, by the two petitions here. By who filed the FIR?
It's the wife of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Who is not a party here, Your Lordship.
By one MS, what's her name?
Marisa Janong Suting, Your Lordship.
No, what's the name of the wife?
Of
Who filed the
Marisa,
FIR?
Marisa G. Suting.
J. Sutin.
Yes, by which he was stated with the wife, the petitioner. Stop. Is submitted that in spite of the order, the writ petitioner and his wife have been locked out from the premises of which they were in peaceful occupation.
Wife is not in station, Your Lordship.
He's
She
locked
had
out.
returned back after
Yes,
the situation had
peaceful,
arisen.
peaceful occupation. Stop. Peaceful occupation. It is also noted and as submitted that with regard to this property in question, there is a title suit pending, which is pending before the Court of Subordinate District Council Court in Shillong. Next paragraph. As per the report submitted by the officer in charge, Lamkra Police Station. As per the status report submitted first by the visiting magistrate, it is noted that the parties have been directed to attend a hearing on 14/1/2025, but however, the respondent number 3. But however, as respondent number 3 was not present, the hearing was not taken up, and that
Respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
number 4, yes,
Yes.
cannot be taken up, and the same has been fixed for hearing again on 14/1/2025. 14?
5/2.
5/2/2025. So with the direction that second parties did not fail. Now, a perusal of the report of the officer in charge, Lamkra Police Station, reveals that the allegation of the writ petitioner of being locked out from the residence which they were occupying is correct. Stop. It's correct, and that isn't it, and is in. It's correct. And further, the respondent number 3 has not denied that the main gate had been locked by her due to, as she fears for her safety. Stop. Next part. Considering the instant situation and circumstances, in spite of the fact and the fact that a civil suit is pending. Stop. Civil suit is pending, as there has been a breach committed by the respondent number 3.
Number 4, Your Lordship.
Number 4, with regard to the bond which has been executed, and notwithstanding the fact that other reliefs are available to the writ petitioner, at this stage, without hearing the respondents number 4 and 5, it is directed that the ingress and egress of the writ petitioner to the portion of which they are occupying should not be obstructed, and the lock should be removed from the main gate. So further provided that for any other reliefs with regard that may emanate from the dispute, the petitioner has to approach the civil court where the case is pending for appropriate orders. Because you see, this lady is avoiding going back also for hearing with the magistrate. You didn't appear on 14/1, she won't go again next day.
She's an old lady of 85 years, Your Lordship. Maybe she had some issues, but
I don't know, but even
I
then-
cannot say anything
That's
of
the
that.
thing. At least it's further understood that all the parties shall maintain
Peace.
what do you call it? What's the word? Shall maintain the not status quo. Where's the bond order?
Peace.
Shall not commit. Yes. Shall
Maintain
not commit
peace.
any breach of peace.
Your Lordship, for respondent number 3 to assist the writ petitioner. So unlocking the lock-in key.
Somna? Yes, as per the bond executed, and that the lock be removed by the response number 4 and 5 in the course of within 2 days. Stop. Failing which, response number 3 shall ensure the ingress and egress of the writ petitioner. This is matter up to 2 weeks for further orders. Copy of report, skip and report.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship. Daily list item number 1.
Agreement's been reached.
Your Lordship, just for execution, Lordship, the respondent number 6 has not come forward.
Where's number 6?
I'm appearing for respondent number 6 on behalf of Mr. Ivan Nongri. He's on sanction leave, my lord.
So?
He has informed me that it's pending for final settlement.
No, this is final settlement. This is since 25th of November.
Your Lordship, the draft agreement is ready. It's just for execution, Lordship. Just kindly allow us 1 day, Lordship, will execute the agreement.
It's been executed?
Not yet, Lordship. Just respondent number 6 has to come forward.
Because it took time last time due to harvesting season.
Lordship.
Yes, parties submit that the agreement is a process being executed. Let's stop. List the matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
For further orders.
Item number 2.
So in this matter, we are finalizing the agreement. Kindly give us 2 more weeks.
Who's the petitioner?
Petitioner is...
What is the violation?
Regarding the tenancy agreement, that it was not executed.
This is a matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
Also obliged.
None appears for the petitioner. It's not of 3.
Item number 3.
Resolved.
Your Lordship, it has been intimated by the department, Your Lordship, that the family pension case of the petition is under consideration, Your Lordship.
Under consideration or already resolved?
It's still under consideration, Your Lordship. Your Lordship can have a copy of the instructions, Your Lordship.
This is okay. Yes, MS Argoring today has produced instructions dated 14 January 2025, where it indicated that the grant of family pension in favor of the writ petitioner is under active consideration, and that some more time is required to finalize the same. So, according to these instructions, this matter for 4 weeks. It's expected that by the next date, the issue would stand resolved. Is
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
You were required to file rejoinder, my lord. We have sought for Paravas comment.
file.
Lord, I'm praying for 3 weeks' time, my lord, because the petitioners here are transferred.
The 170 petitioners. Yes. As per for the 3 weeks' time is granted to the petitioners to file the rejoinder. Yes, thereafter.
All right.
Item number 5.
this, my lord, the writ petitioner has to go and submit the license in Guwahati, in that Bar Council of Assam, etc.
Done now.
He has not yet done. He will be for vacations. He was not here. A little more time. He may come up after 2 weeks. Within these 2 weeks, do the need.
Mr. Aswati, the consular petitioner, praised that further that the matter be after 2 weeks in order to be able to obtain instructions from the writ petitioner.
Item number 6.
Lordship, respondents have filed their affidavit, so Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks time to file my rejoinder, Lordship.
As prayed, 3 weeks time is allowed to the petitioner to file the rejoinder, less thereafter.
Item number 7.
Lordship, in this case, I may be given another 2 weeks time to file my counter, Your Lordship.
Steps already taken to private respondents, my lord.
I'm entering appearance, my lord, for respondent number 6.
1 second.
Okay. Okay.
I'm entering appearance for respondent number 7.
7. How many private respondents are there?
My lord, in
Two, my lord.
my lord, 2,
6
my
and
lord.
7.
6 and 7, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Firman Nongri, that counsels entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 6 and Mr.
M.R. Mara.
Mr. Sheikh. Mr. M.R. Marak on behalf of Mr. 7. As such, notice complete all the respondents. Yes, what do you want?
I may be given some time to file my counter.
We'll file the respondents as well as the common advocate pray them allowed. How much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit.
But in the meantime, interim order may continue, my lord.
Prayer is allowed this up to 2 weeks. This interim order?
Yes, my lord.
The interim order, if any, shall continue to the next day.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Please, Lordship, item 19 in the hearing list is also connected.
Yeah?
Item 19 in the hearing list also, Your Lordship, is similar to matter in item 7.
Together with this case.
Yes, my lord. Item 19.
And let me note 19 listed together with WPC 429 next day.
8. This one 8. Yes, item 8. Yes. Sorry, sir.
19 and 8.
My lord, in item.
Item number 8.
Yes. Item 8, my lord, was just received today, just my lord. The morning.
Received today.
My lord, affidavit filed by the state, my lord.
This is a case where election has been conducted and the petitioners have lost by votes more than 100, my lord. And they have made false and misleading statement in the writ petition. On that basis, they have obtained interim order, my lord. And we have filed the reply today morning, my lord. Let them file rejoinder and then your lordship may have it up.
Because and private respondents are there, my lord. We have
because they want to delay it. Your lordship kindly see.
Yes, the recorded last order.
Yes, your lord.
An oblique motive by you.
Yes, my lord. So,
oh, my lord.
So then, your lordship, I filed reply, and in reply it is there, my lord, that this candidate has lost by 105 votes and 111 votes, and everything was carried out, verification was done, and they have concealed all these material. And then because of a stay, VC is not functional.
Yeah.
VC
BDO is look after the BDO, concerned BDO is looking after the affairs of the VC, my lord.
Elected body, my lord.
Well, yes, lord, elected body, but election should be in a fair manner, my lord.
Fair manner.
File RTI with regard to the my lord verification and electoral roll, my lord.
They have received it
as
on
per the
4th
instruction
November.
last night from my client. They have received the RTI. So kindly give us some time.
You are appearing for whom?
6 and 7.
The candidates who have won it.
Learned Council has done the appearance today on behalf of the respondents number 6 and 7. Such the notice is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
On all the respondents. It is an affidavit has also been filed. In the meanwhile, on behalf of the respondents number
5.
1 to 5. Mr. S.K. Hassan, please allowed to file a short rejoinder to the.
My lord, will file a reply to this affidavit, my lord.
Yes, the affidavit within 1 week.
My lord, kindly 2 weeks. Since states, my lord, we have not yet received the papers, my lord. Since we filed RTI,
they have received it way back.
If you're interfering with the
yes,
process,
my
we can't let you have
my lord,
much
yes,
time.
my lord. In the meantime, my lord, interim order is there. Kindly continue.
In the meantime, the interim order is till next day.
These are connected matters. Similar, these items 7 and 8.
7 and 8 is connected matters.
So if what the affidavit says correct, that means we'll have to vacate the interim order.
My lord, yes, my lord. At least my lord,
Take instruction.
my lord will receive instruction.
Yes.
Item number 9.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, on the 19th of December last year, the parties had met in a meeting in the office of the project officer of the Ilaka. And the matter has been amicably solved between them, and the project officer has accepted the plans and issued work orders already.
So withdraw,
so
you
the
want to
petitioner
withdraw it.
wants to withdraw the petition.
Mr. P.K. Bora, Council Petitioner submits that the grievances of the petitions been redressed by the respondent number. Who
The project officer.
Intimate party here.
It's not me a party, my lord.
He's a party.
As redressed by the respondents. Accordingly, he prays
All respondents, actually.
by the respondents. Accordingly, he prays that he be allowed to withdraw and send a petition. Praise allowed. Matter stands closed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
Right.
Item number 10.
Item 10, 11, 12 are connected matters,
Yes.
my lord. 12 is the
Hearing matter.
hearing matter, my lord.
What about this? In this first one, item number 10. It's for orders or for hearing?
Which one?
Order number 10, you've taken steps.
We have taken steps, my lord, on the private respondents, my lord.
Who's appearing private respondents? They're all connected, Mr. Advocate General.
Yes, your lordship, all are connected, my lord. If your lordship kindly see the item 12 first, my lord. Item 12, then
What
the
about
issue,
item number 10 then?
your lordship, the 12 can be disposed
Service
of.
report not yet come. Service report not yet.
Because 12
allow us to ascertain the service report.
12 is pleading is complete, everything is complete, my lord. And
Take
issue
up 12, Mr.
But on 12 is fixed for hearing, in fact, exchange of pleading completed.
everything is there, my lord.
We'll take up 12. Then we'll pass, we'll wait first 10. What is the items 10?
Item 10 and your lordship has
10,
11.
12
10 and
are connected matters.
Yes. Further? You're here today. How necessary is the private respondent in the matter? Are you on the same page with the state respondents? Or no?
Yes, my lord.
But we challenge their appointment.
Huh?
We challenge their appointment.
You read the file before you mention.
The Lordship yet to issue notice, they are entering into appearance. Item number 12, Lordship yet to issue notice. Order was passed to take together with the item number 12.
No, 12
They are
notices.
entering appearance for the private respondents.
Notices have been issued.
Item number 12. Item number 11.
No,
Item
12.
number
They have
11.
they have entered into appearance 12.
12
What
is
to do,
madam.
Mr.
11, madam.
Since he's seeking time, what to do?
Not
Is that regarding the qualification?
Yes, my lord. MTET and they are
18
all having
months and
diploma of
2
18
year-
months.
Yes, 18 months and 2 years.
Yes, my lord. And that recently the order it has come also in the review that this 18-month diploma is valid, my lord.
That's what the Supreme Court.
Yeah, that's also.
Yes, I've seen that.
That one is there, my lord.
So then how
We'll
are you
give a
going to
response,
meet-
madam.
How are you going to meet that point?
Madam.
This point.
The order is very clear.
And so,
That is, my lord, the review order will be applicable prospectively.
Paragraph 3, my lord.
Lordship, can you see that?
prospectively,
Yes, yes.
No, your lordship kindly see paragraph
In the
3.
last
How
portion.
avoid any, we again clarify that 18-month diploma by such person who are in employment and who have completed diploma would be treated valid diploma for all purposes.
yes. How do you see its perspective?
My lord, the bottom, the last part of the
Now,
judgment.
when were the private respondents appointed?
My lord, they were appointed prior to this review order.
We were having valid diploma in terms of the.
You see, when employment as on 10/8/2017,
Yes.
when were they selected?
My
They
lord, on 30 October.
No, they were all in
2023.
employment, my lord. Issue is, my lord,
That is correct. That is correct.
if I place, my lord, what has happened that the NCT came out with the circular for those who are in private, those who are teaching in private schools or government schools, they can go for 18 months diploma, my lord.
Yes.
So they all got the 18 months diploma. And based on 18 months diploma, we started the recruitment process and the recruitment was over. In the meantime, the judgment in the main matter came, my lord. In main matter, the Uttarakhand state, there was a requirement of 2 years diploma. And that rule was required that they should have 2 years diploma. That was struck down by the High Court. Against that, Honorable Supreme Court said that this 18 months diploma is valid. And so far as 2 years, striking down that 2-year diploma issue by the High Court is not correct, my lord. So the degree, those who have obtained employment here by virtue of 18 months diploma, they are eligible even as per NCT and even as per the Supreme Court judgment. And so therefore, my lord, there is no challenge. And if your lordship kindly see the prayer in this first matter, this item 12, item 12, my lord.
Number 12.
12, my lord. And page 20 and 21, my lord. 20, your lordship kindly see at the top. According to writ petitioner, most of the candidates both from ST and UR, like the private respondents who have only purchased 18 months diploma from NIUS, hence allowing them to face the ongoing interview, has seriously infringed the constitutional legal right. However, to limited time, he was unable to particularly identify those ST candidates to array therein. However, their participation, like UR candidates, has equally affected their rights. And so therefore, if your lordship, the case is that 18 months diploma, my lord, and they have got a diploma.
So they challenge this select list.
They challenge select list.
Are they already in employment?
They are already in employment, my lord. So thereafter, now in item 10, 11, they have challenged the appointment letter, my lord.
So, Mr. Chari,
so then this
very,
to that
very steep hill to climb.
My lord, what happened in the advertisement? 30 October 23 advertisement says that
2 years.
2 years.
No, it doesn't say
it
so.
is 2
It doesn't
years.
please show me.
My lord, during hearing I will open that one.
It is
On their
not
own
there.
advertisement. And they refer to NCT 2023, 2013. And 2013 Contempt is 2 years, not 18 months. Now selection process started. Before last date of submission of the application, Supreme Court ran the 18 months not equivalent to the 2 years. 2 years. Now selection continued, and we came to know that we challenged the select list. Well, now in the select list, both the UR and non-UR also surface in the select list. So we challenged. Subsequently, my lord, since there was no stay order, matter proceeded and the issue appointment letter. We filed a separate miss application seeking for stay of the appointment letters. This Honorable Court passed an order that any appointment that may be made with regard to the UR candidates will be subject to the outcome of the writ petition. Now, the writ petitioner obtained the RTI. Now, he came to know that the remaining respondents in the subsequent writ petitions, they are also 18 months only. Then with abundant caution, my lord, we filed the writ petition, item number 11. Item number 10 is, my lord, we also come to know that those people, candidates obtained the certificates wrongly from other states.
Examine that aspect only, whether, the requirement of, because everything stems from advertisement.
Well, yes.
We'll see.
My lord. So it requires proper hearing.
Court order will have an overriding effect, which it will have.
Yes.
So anyway, after 1 week.
After 2 weeks, your lordship may
10, 11, 12. Some of these matters being connected. First there. Sorry. Not complete the service here.
My lord, we have taken step with regard to item number 10.
Item number 10.
Online it shows that service has been delivered.
Office indicates that service is complete on respondents. Item number 10, 7, 10, 11 and 14.
Yes.
Whereas service report has not yet been received on the respondents 4 to 6, 8, 9, and 12, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 14 to 18. Stop. We obtain status.
Allow us to obtain status.
Petitioner prays is permitted to obtain status of service upon the said respondents who have not yet been served. Stop. List is mattered together with the number 12. WC number
405.
405, the next date, yes. Item 11.
Item number 11, Lordship here to issue notice. If Lordship allow me to take step by issuing notice.
Not issue.
But
Yes,
receive another.
yes, Mr. HR submits that though the issue in question is already pending consideration in RPC number 405 or 2023, we permitted to take steps on the private respondents. Yes, prayers allowed. Steps to be taken upon the private respondents within
3 days.
Within 3 days, yes. This together with RPC number 405 of 2023. Now, next item number 12. Mr. A prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. K. Paul, who is the arguing counsel for the private respondents in the matter. Stop. According to this matter after when?
2 weeks, madam. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes.
Deeply obliged.
I'll keep this order.
Yes, ma'am.
Hearing item 17.
May it please your lordship. Milord, here, Milord, we have approached this court, Milord, for two relief. One, for cancelling the order of transfer dated 27/10/23, Milord, and to release our pending dues, Milord.
Who are you?
Milord, I was working as a driver, Milord, in PWD, Milord, department from 1988, Milord. The facts of the case, Milord, may I summarize it for a moment? 1998, Milord, I joined service. 2009, my service was regularized. 2014, my service was confirmed. 2007.
Yes, carry on.
2017, Milord, there was a mutual transfer with another employee, Milord, Parekh D. Saira, Milord. 2023, I was transferred from William Nagar to Bagmara, Milord. When I went to join the posting in Bagmara, I was not allowed. They said that my post was not a sanctioned post. We approached by filing representation. There was no answer to the representation. At the end of the day, Milord, we approached this honorable court by filing this petition. Now, in the
you have been paid salary now for 6 years.
Lordship?
You have been paid a salary for 6 years.
No, not for 6 years, for 1 year, Milord. From November 2023, Milord, I was not paid salary, Milord. Now, Milord, after approaching this court, Milord, and filing this petition, the respondent has filed their affidavit in opposition. In the affidavit in opposition, the respondent's stand is, Milord, that it was not a sanctioned post. I was not a regular appointee. These are the two basic.
Not regular appointee.
No, this is the stand that they have taken. Now, Lordship, may I take your Lordship to all the documents, Milord? Page 22, Milord, is the my first order, Milord.
Yes.
In the interest of public works, Savin Rawa, the master roll labor, is promoted as work charge roller handyman in the scale.
Ready the matter?
Lordship, if I
Are
can.
you ready to the matter or not?
Yes, Lordship.
Then okay, no hear him. Yes.
Lordship, if you can take note of the name of the petitioner, Lordship, out here. Sabin Rava, Lordship.
Yes. So, what's the petitioner's name?
No,
Sabin Rava.
Sabin Rabha.
The name, there is spelling mistake. They are coming up with that, Milord.
Lordship, you can take your Lordship to first page, Lordship. Is Subin Rabha.
There is a typographical error.
Subin Rabha, Lordship. SUBINRABHA, Rabha.
So, first page of what?
Of the petition, Lordship. The first page.
This one, it says Sabin Rava here.
Lordship, the title Subin Rabha, Lordship.
Subir.
Subin, SUBIN Rabha.
Here's SABIN in the court's copy.
Lordship, here the first page, Lordship.
It is in the, this is the first page, SUBN in the
first page, Lordship, is written Subin
in the
Rabha.
No, here's synopsis.
No, Lordship, the first synopsis page, Lordship.
But here's correct, SABIN.
Of mine, I got Lordship is Subin Rabha.
Okay.
Then, Lordship, if I can take
my learned friend case is.
What do you have to say? What
there is a typographical error in the name, Milord. That is what is. They have taken the stand in the in their affidavit.
Lordship, which is very peculiar, Lordship, since in the page number 22, Lordship, Annexure 1, it states as Sabin Rava.
Yes.
Lordship, I can take your Lordships to the page number 24, Lordship, the driver's license.
Yes.
It's Shobin Rabha.
Then?
Lordship.
You mean the 3 people working one job?
Lordship, I'm very confused, Lordship. Exactly, Lordship's query. Who are you? I don't, right now,
3 people working in one job.
Lordship, I don't know who the
Shobin,
petitioner
one
is.
Sabin and one Shobin.
I don't know who has come to the court, Lordship. Is it Shobin Rava or Sabir Rava or...
Let's hear him. Yes. Please sit down. Yes.
No.
Yes, 4998.
Yes, 1998, Milord. I was engaged, Milord. I was promoted, Milord, from master role labor.
You're a master role.
Yes, master role I joined, Milord. I was promoted as work charge roller handyman, Milord. Now, page 25, if your Lordship takes up, Milord.
Yes.
My service was extended from 2/11/98 till further order or as long as the service is required.
Where is your organization?
Lordship, page 25, Milord.
Page?
25. 25, Lordship.
You regularized 20 by page 25.
Lordship. Regular is later on, Milord. It is page 38, Milord.
1298.
Yes.
Last extension.
The extension is extended, Milord. Okay. Now, from there I was engaged as jeep driver, Milord. That is page 27.
Yes.
In response to the office note, so is Karam Chandranath, jeep driver, so and so is hereby released today, this 28th May 1999, to enable him to join a Dynadubi to drive the truck number so and so as truck driver by Sabin Rava Lora and is promoted as jeep driver by jeep number so and so, Milord, with immediate effect. 28/5/1999, I was working as a driver, Milord.
The name of the number of vehicles given also?
Yes, number of vehicle is also given, Milord.
Okay. Jeep driver.
Jeep driver, Lordship.
Then?
Now, page 29, Lordship. Pakrem D. Saira, Milord, we have taken mutual transfer, so this page is relevant, Milord. In the interest of public service, page 29, and on the recommendation of the District Selection Committee, East Garo Hills, William Nagar, and after police verification, Sri Pakrem D. Saira is hereby appointed temporarily as jeep driver and posted against Kharkhuta subdivision in the scale of so and so, so and so. The appointment is purely temporary and liable to be terminated at any time without any reason thereof. No TAD is allowed. In the year 2016, Milord, there was a mutual transfer with this person and me, Milord. That's why we have annexed this order.
Okay. 11, though, this is the appointment of another fellow. 11/8.
Yes, Lord.
Whoever he is, Pakrem.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, again, Lordship, page 32 is again the order of Pakrem D. Saira, Milord.
Now, where's the mutual transfer?
Mutual transfer will be as page number, Lordship. 41, Milord.
Okay, yes. Then?
Now, it is again his service was there, Milord. Now, in the year 2006, Milord, 2 subdivisions were merged, Milord, in one. The governor of Assam was pleased to, the governor of Meghalaya was pleased to issue this order, Lordship.
Yes.
We'll come to this, they have also annexed, we'll come to this order later on, Milord.
2006.
2006, Milord.
Yes.
Now, my regularization order is at page 38, Milord.
Yes.
Sri Sabin Rava, may I read, Lordship?
Yes.
Sri Sabin Rava, work charge driver of PWD roads, William Nagar division, has transferred to the superintendent engineer PWD William Nagar circle by office number so and so dated so and joined this office at 1/10/2009 in place of Bablu Roy, driver of this office, who has been transferred vice versa to the executive engineer so and so. Sri Sabin Rava, work charge driver, is regularized in this office with effect from 1st October 2009.
Okay.
This order is 14/10/2009, Lord. Page 38, Lord.
Regularized by by superintendent engineer.
Yes, superintendent engineer, Lord.
Okay.
Now, page 40, if your Lordship comes up to page 40, Lord. My service, Lord, was confirmed. Page 40, Lord.
Yes.
on the production of medical fitness certificate from the district medical and health officer is Garo Hills, William Nagar. The following incumbents are hereby confirmed in the post of LD assistant and driver in the office of the superintendent engineer, PWD Road, William Nagar Circle, William Nagar, against permanent sanction post. White C letter number so and so dated so and so. Now, my name appears, my lord, in number 3rd. Date of joining service is 28/5/1999 and date of confirmation is 21/3/2014.
Okay, yes.
Now, this document has not been disputed by them, my lord. Though they say there is no sanction post, but this document stands, my lord. Now, 41 is the mutual transfer, my lord, that lordship has seen. From the petitioner, my lord, Savin Rava and Akrim D. Saira, my lord.
This is 2006.
18, my lord. Joint application 8 June 2017, the very first line of his order. As per the joint statute signatory application dated 8 June 2017, the order was passed on 4/6/2018, lordship.
Okay.
Now, thereafter, my lord, I was working in this office for 6 long years. Thereafter, I was transferred. Page 44 is the order of the transfer, my lord.
27 October
27 October 2023, my lord.
Okay.
From here, the problem started, my lord.
Yes.
In the interest of public service, Sri Savin Rava Jeep Driver, Kharkhuta Subdivision, North Garo Hills, Meghalaya, hereby transferred and posted in the office of the Executive Engineer, PWDR, Bagmara Division, in the vacant post occurred on sudden demise of Sri Jul Porial Driver on 14 October 2020 with immediate effect until further order.
So you were released on 30th October.
Lordship. Thereafter, I was released, my lord, on 30th October. That is on page 46, my lord.
Then after that, where's the letters? Which are you impugned saying that this was sanctioned post?
Lordship, that lordship will find it page number 50, my lord, 50.
50.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
In continuation to this office order dated so and so regarding the transfer and posting of Savin Rava Jeep Driver, Kharkhuta Subdivision, North Garo, Meghalaya is hereby cancelled under further orders. No reasons, my lord, only simple.
Okay,
order.
fine, cancelled.
Cancelled, lordship.
This was in 1st November 20, but the order was 27 October.
27
So
October.
you didn't join, that means.
I went to join, my lord. That is there in the petition also, my lord, and in their.
So what happened was he didn't get to join there, Bagmara.
Yes, they did not allow me to join.
So you were on a job now.
I am out of job, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
How is that possible?
Lordship. That is the question. But 2 more things, my lord, may I, lordship, may I point out? At page 52, my lord.
One second.
Lordship.
If transfer is cancelled, she allowed to work in its original post.
Yes, my lord. That is there. That is.
Yes.
Page 52, my lord, is a representation from the Superintendent Engineer, PWD Road, William Nagar, to lordship, Executive Engineer, PWD Resubelpara. The Superintendent Engineer has, my lord, given a detail of my career. If your lordship takes up this.
Okay, what's this?
Same that all the document that we have annexed, she was written, but last paragraph is very important, ma'am. Page 53. May I read page 53, lordship? Last paragraph. That, ma'am, after creation of the new PWD Roads Kharkhuta Division and subsequently bifurcating from PWD Resubelpara Division by order number so and so dated so and so, Kharkhuta Subdivision along with all posts gazetted and non-gazetted transferred to newly created PWD Kharkhoda division. However, after observing the discrepancy in non-existence of sanctioned post of driver under Kharkhoda subdivision, Sri Savin Rava was transferred to the office of PWD Roads Bagmara division, white number so-and-so, dated so-and-so. Accordingly, he was released from the office of the undersigned by this office order number dated so-and-so, dated so-and-so. As reported by him, he had already joined
Well, the issue was never resolved. And
Yes,
all
my
the
lord.
issue- And what
Yes.
happened after that?
I filed a representation also, Lordship.
Now silent till now.
Lordship.
Where's the last order? That's nothing happened after
Nothing
that.
happened, my lord. We filed
Yeah, where's
this
the
was.
affidavit? Let's see. What did he say?
My lord, there are two grounds that in the affidavit that they have taken up, my lord.
Lordship, may I please? Lordship, number one, I would like to state, Lordship, as again, Lordship, regards to the locus standi of the petitioner, Lordship.
Why Lucas Tandai?
Lordship, again, Lordship, the petitioner herein has Sabin Rabha, Lordship, but then his appointment out here is given first as the.
We're not looking to that. This is the same person. We can make all these things happen.
No, Lordship, I'll bring your Lordships to.
Yes.
Lordship, annexure, paragraph number 2, Lordship, of my parvise comments. Paragraph number 1, Lordship. Then reply, page number 2, Lordship, last 2 lines. Then reply to contents of paragraph 1 to 4 of the petition. It is submitted that there are major inconsistencies in the records provided by the work charge employees. Work charge employee statement number serial number 3. Sri Sabin was employed as jeep driver and joined on same on 1990, whereas order dated 28/05/1999 Section 2 of the petition shows that Sri Rabin Rava was promoted as jeep driver. When order dated him. So two different persons, Lordship. Sabin Rava and Sabin Rava are two different persons, Lordship.
You bring a petitioner. Where is he? Is he on court?
Not in the court, no, we can bring him, Lordship. No
Lordship, I
difficulty
can
with
take
that.
you, Lordships, to please.
See, Mr. Karuna, it cannot be possible that that there'll be 2 or 3 persons, that a person will come and impersonate himself to get some relief. And even from muster roll to work charge, there's no issue.
Lordship.
The work charge is a different kind of a temporary arrangement. So is muster roll.
Lordship.
So that there's no kind of promotion. In fact, it's just being given another duty as a work charge. So the only thing is that if what is correct now, he's been appointed since 98. Correct. He's been. Do you deny that there's such a person working? Do the respondents deny this?
No, Lord, they have not in their.
So they deny it anyway?
No, Lordship. I've no. Sabin Rava has been working, Lordship, but then there's some consistencies with the repetition, Lordship, because there are two.
No. Okay. Then where's the other Sabin Rava? Produce him.
Lordship.
What is the person's working? Where is he?
Sabin Rava or Sabin Rava, Lordship.
You said there are 2 people. It's up to you to produce both of them.
Lordship, I'm producing, Lordship, the thing, because right now, if you look at the annexure 1 of my affidavit, Lordship, type copy would be at page number 9, Lordship.
Yes.
Sabin Rava, qualification 8 pass, date of joining 31/5/1990, Lordship. Page number 9, Lordship. Serial number 3.
Sabin Rava, yes.
Date of joining 31/05/1990, Lordship.
1919.
Yes, Lordship, was not eligible, Lordship, out there in the thing, but then as per my instructions, Lordship, it's 31/05/1990, Lordship, as per my instructions, which I received from the department, Lordship.
1990?
Yes, Lordship.
But he said he joined in 1998.
Lordship.
No, he was changed from a master role. That means he was employed originally as jeep driver.
Lordship, when he joined as jeep driver in the year 1990, Lordship, Sabin Rava. Whereas in the petition, Lordship, Sabin Rava was promoted as jeep driver in the year 1998, Lordship.
Yes,
As truck driver is in 28/5/1999, Lordship. Can I take your Lordship's page number 27, Lordship? We can compare page number 27 of the writ petition and page number 9 of my affidavit, Lordship.
You bring your petition next time.
Lordship.
And you bring your some responsible officer also.
Lordship.
How? See,
Well,
the
this
thing
is
is that it's not possible that we
possible, Lordship, because he has been working there. The executive engineer has written a letter, my lord, to the superintendent engineer, Lordship.
Lordship, I agree, Lordship, there's one sub in Rabha. There's a sub in Rabha, Lordship. But then the first few annexures of this petition, Lordship, it shows of sub in Rabha, Lordship, is only from page number 38, Lordship. The sub in Rabha has been mentioned in the annexures.
Very confusing.
Lordship, may I submit two things, my lord?
Yes.
One is, my lord, this was not the ground, my lord, that was put to challenge by them. So they cannot develop their case by way of an affidavit. my lord.
Lordship,
I have no difficulty in producing them.
Lordship,
Let them produce the executive
Lordship,
engineer.
I've heard the Lordship. I had to you talk. May I finish my arguments, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, the petition, the prayer also in this petition, Lordship. If I can take your Lordships to page number
See,
18, Lordship.
the only thing before this court that is deserves some, clarification,
Lordship,
is when did he enter into employment? That's all.
Lordship.
Simple as that.
Lordship.
Simple as that.
Lordship.
And what were his terms of engagement when he entered initial employment? That's it.
Lordship.
We're not bothered about that. We can order for legalization in a case like this.
Then may I,
It's
Lordship.
already been confirmed, against a sanction post. That's by authority of the department itself. Not with being competent authority organization now in PUDs happen everywhere. In many cases, gentiles everywhere. They just appointed, rule of thumb. But that doesn't mean that their services having been used, like at the fag end of the career, they just be discarded. And this paper trail here shows that there was substantive employment. But the only thing is we have to verify is when was he appointed first? Where?
Lordship.
That you say 98.
98.
But this one says 1990.
Milord, if it would have been 1990, we would have shown that, because that would help us, Milord, further.
Exactly, but then as per this, it's eligible. Are you sure it says 1998 or
Lordship, as
1990?
per my instructions, is 1980, Lordship.
No, see, look at this one. You've seen this at page 8, annexure 1.
1990, if I'm a jeep driver, Milord, I will not work as a master role, Milord, in the year 1990.
Exactly, that is why this court wants clarification on that. We're not on law at all. We're just on.
Lordship, and Lordship, with regards to the confirmation and sanction order, Lordship, this was.
Forget about that. Forget about that. We're not going to do that at all. First, everything, the rights of every employee stems from the
Milord,
initial appointment order.
Lordship, can for a moment peruse page
and all
50.
things that come later on that we'll see.
Lordship,
Yes.
Page 52 for a moment, Milord. It is the executive engineer writing a letter, Milord.
No, that we've seen.
Here he was
But
initially.
that, see, you are Mr.
A. Lal, Lordship.
A. Lal.
A. Lal, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Lal. See, we not no quarrel about that. Only thing is that when was he appointed?
Milord, page
And
50.
to what?
Their authority is writing this letter, Milord.
No, but where's the chart from?
That they have to clarify, Milord. And if I am 1995 and jeep driver, Milord, why will I work in the year 1998 as a master role driver and thereafter handyman, Milord? There is some difference.
When's the date of birth?
That's it.
What's the date of birth? What's the date of birth?
Date of birth, Milord. That will say 1977, Milord. So
And this fellow was born in
1992, I will be in 13 years then.
No, 1977 you're born.
Lordship, as
Lordship, can I?
And this chart
driving license is there, Milord. Driving license, Lordship will find that. It is page 24.
What date of birth shown there?
1962, Lordship.
1962. 1962, Lordship.
62. Can there be a discrepancy of 16 years date of birth as per this chart?
No, Lordship. Let's
It's becoming absurd now.
Lordship, let the client come, Milord.
Let the client come. He should have taken proper instructions before filing a petition. When was he born? Where was he born? Now, where's that license?
Page number 24, Lordship.
This is the wrong entry.
Wrong entry, Milord. Because the new
date of birth 1962.
Lordship, I have my doubts, my lord. Let the client come, my lord. They have all, and let the executive.
And he's still in service now.
Still in service, my lord.
What is, as per affidavit, how old is he? As
As
per
per-
affidavit sworn here before the court?
52, Lordship.
52.
52, Lordship.
52.
Lordship.
How will you clarify this then? Egypt 52 years.
Lordship.
52, you have been born when?
I have to.
1962, Lordship.
No, 52 now, well, you should have
If
been
I'm
born which year?
my lord, if I am born in the year.
1962.
No, मेरी date of birth कब है? 26/7/1977, my lord. Then 77 to 52.
He was 52 now, he should be born 72.
72,
Or
lordship. Yes, lordship.
Then?
Approximately.
72, he's supposed to be born, your driving license shows 62, and then the chart shows born in 78.
Lordship, may I pray, my lord? I will call the petitioner.
It will be difficult. How can we go into a fact finding?
Lordship, no, that is, Lordship, we will file an additional affidavit. Let's say only a question of age, my lord. There is no other
No
fact
age,
finding.
and what is your terms of engagement? Because if this chart is correct, your date of birth is 27/5/1978.
Lordship, I have to take instruction, my lord. There is no other alternative to me, my lord, for this, my lord. One. The second is, my lord.
And how can a driving license be 962?
There can be some error. Let the client come and clarify that post.
Is it a professional license or is it a?
Lordship is issued by the Union of India, Lordship.
No.
Lordship is.
Union of India.
My apologies, Lordship.
Governor Meghalaya.
Governor Meghalaya.
Where is that?
Page 24.
Page 24, Lordship.
Okay. Which DTO? Address is issued from which, sir?
Lordship.
07 Tura.
That's it.
Nagar, sorry. Yes, 7 is Nagar, 8 is
8 will Tura.
Yes.
That's it. Let them call the superintendent engineer from their office. We will call the
You
petitioner.
won't know anything, just be a young fellow.
No, but the person who was working in that office, my lord, so he can identify him. If there are any doubts, my learned friend has, my lord.
No, see, the thing is that if you're seeking like the prayer, I mean, we have to know first how you appointed, where you served, when were you born, what is your name.
That's it. That's it.
How can a drive license show 62?
We have also to take instruction. This is the first time we have come.
62 means he retired. He would have
Yes, he
retired.
have retired, my lord. So, what was his age, my lord? As per their office record, that also is would be relevant. What is his qualification? Sometimes when you don't have any matriculate qualification, you put your date of birth as per your wish, my lord. Yes,
And Lordship, I had given my preliminary objection with regards to locus standi of the petitioner.
Not
Lordship,
locus standi, the identity of the petitioner.
Identity and locus standi, Lordship, because out here is there are three different
Shown here in
persons.
the driving license. The client you
Lord.
interacted with. He's
Yes,
the same person.
Lordship out here is Shobhan Rabha, Lordship,
Doesn't matter,
Sabin
the name
Rabha, and Sabin Rabha, Lordship.
You'll be surprised the way my name is mutilated everywhere. my name.
Lordship.
If you predict that the objection, then is it the person sitting here also, he's not the person who should be sitting here.
Lordship.
So that doesn't matter.
Lordship.
Yes.
Also, my Lordship, may I take your Lordship to the last page of the lecture, Lordship, to show that there's no existing post, Lordship, for...
Forget, we're not there. We're not in post. If he's been serving, he should get his due benefits. Only thing we have to ascertain is...
Lordship, and also, just to
Have you
break to your
replied to
Lordship...
this annexure in your rejoinder?
Lordship?
Have you said something about this annexure 1 in the...
No, my lord, no.
Why?
No. We have disputed that. In a affidavit reply, we have disputed that, my lord.
Okay. At least it's disputed. Yes.
Affidavit we have disputed.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship, one line.
Yes.
Lordship, the reason for not disbursing of the petitioner's salary for last 6 months is also since he did not join any of the polls, Lordship. Even after cancellation, he could have gone back to the original place of...
He didn't go there.
He didn't go there, Lordship.
Why?
He went there, my lord. From there later only it is evident, my lord. Page 53, my lord. The executive engineer writing, but I was not allowed. Even if a lordship permit, we will join tomorrow also, my lord. We have no difficulty with that.
Lordship, I can take your Lordship to my paragraph number
Lordship,
5 at page number 4, Lordship, of my affidavit. May I read, Lordship?
My lord, no work yet pay is an exception, my lord. It applies when, my lord, I tried to join, they did not allow me to join.
May I read, Lordship? The with regards to the averments made in paragraph 11 to 13, the answering respondent reiterates that post of driver in Calcutta so-and-so is non-existent and hence the petitioner post could not be needed by regulars. Wait, my apologies, Lordship.
You join?
That's
You join and then you verify.
That's
You go and join first, let him join.
He'll join.
If your women are correct, Ms. Karolang, let him join.
Let him join. And yes, they can, after then they can have a report. my lord. Yes.
After that, we'll call for report.
Lordship.
That's
You take down.
Lordship, can I just seek instructions, Lordship? Because since the post is not existing, and also as
what
per-
about this post receivable para is existing? You're not talking about the Calcutta post or the NWB. Talking about this receivable para post. The
Lordship,
assistant executive engineers there and receivable para. Let's see Annexure 2
Lordship,
for a strange case.
Lordship.
Has not reported back or claims monthly salary.
Lordship, I can take a Lordship, Annexure 3, Lordship.
See,
At
now
page
you
number
said-
12, which clarifies the whole position of where the petitioner stands as of today, Lordship.
This one Bagmara. There's 23, there's 24 letters here.
Lordship, so to say that he is his salary is from work head of accounts, Lordship, not from salary head of accounts. And this is
Yeah, if it also,
And also-
yeah, if it also needs further, you know.
Lordship.
It's all your fault, you know. It's not the fault of the petitioner.
Lordship.
It's like that. You can't just take service of a poor person and kick him around and in the end don't pay him anything. And now dispute his identity also. His date of birth.
Lordship,
His,
my apologies,
I mean,
Lordship.
even
My apologies,
illiterate people, it happens. No date of in epic cards or in this licenses. Somebody you just enter the wrong date of birth. That happens.
Lordship.
But then that will affect substantially the.
My apologies, Lordship.
Not your apologies. You do not apologize. I'm just remarking on the. Piludi, it happens a lot.
Lordship.
It's not the first case only. Where a person after he retires, they say not regularized. How many cases are there?
Lordship, few.
And there's confirmation of services there.
Lordship.
There's some judgment by this court only.
Lordship.
Point. Take down this one. You want to take instructions or we'll ask them to join immediately?
So let me join, my lord, because they are also saying that we have not joined. So let me join and it will clarify facts also.
Lordship, let me take instructions, Lordship.
Please, after 1 week, yes. In the course of hearing, certain questions have arisen with regard to the terms of appointment, a date of appointment, and the terms thereof of the writ petitioner. Mr. H. Karwanlang, learned National Senior Government Advocate,
Lordship.
prays have allowed 1 week's time to obtain instructions. Top next paragraph. This instant case from the submissions of the councils and perusal of the records, perusal of materials on record, shows the undisputed fact that the petitioner had been in service of the respondent department for a considerable number of years, and that the grievance presently is with the fact that on the last transfer, which date is that? Last transfer dated 27 October 2023 being cancelled. He has been left. He has been cancelled. His salary has been withheld, and no other orders have been forthcoming. Stop. The stand taken by respondents now is that the writ petitioner was never appointed to a sanctioned post, and such deserves no consideration. Stop. Though this is the stand taken by the respondents on affidavit, however, 2 letters have been annexed, appearing at Annexure 2 thereof, dated 27/5/2024 and 23/5/2024 and 27/5/2024, indicating the fact that the petitioner was supposed to report back for duty in the office of the Assistant Executive Engineer, Pilvi Roads, Kharkuta Subdivision. As the entire matter needs clarification, the writ petitioner also permitted to file an affidavit to clarify the facts, as also the writ, Mr. Karanlang, as also the respondents, so as to enable, as also the respondents, in order to bring closure to the matter. Yes. List after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Lordship, may kindly fix a date possible.
Date take the court master.
Lord, may treat the matter as part heard. Lordship has only heard the matter.
Part heard, where will it go? In this court's got only 3 judges.
Lordship.
Yes.
I am obliged.
Much obliged.
Supplementary 1, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here the petitioner is similarly placed as per the...
Where's the bill?
Bill is page 153.
Get ready the affidavits. 19th will close. We'll finish up the whole matter.
Lordship.
Lordship, I have received just now. Only thing is that, my lord, earlier 2 matters, my lord, we received some instruction.
We served it yesterday.
Instruction, and then there was some concealment of facts also, because they came to the MECL saying that they want some time and time should be extended, and revised bill was submitted, and then thereafter, once they offered to make the payment, conceal those material facts, my lord, and then they obtain ex parte order, and even it was not disclosed that the main matter is listed for objection. If Lordship will see Lordship's last order also, my lord, 1712, my lord.
What did it say?
1712. So I was praying, my lord, this petition can be taken up on 1 day time may be given, my lord. I will file reply, and your lordship may take it on Tuesday, my lord, so that I can have the complete instruction, because
Lordship, regarding
because
all these factors,
matters have been pending for quite time.
The earlier matters, 7 they have given, they will file the affidavit. Whatever they will file, that is there. And regarding this part, we have only come for the bill part.
My lord, only one day I am seeking, my lord. By
So
tomorrow
because
we will
here
file
is a similar order I am seeking.
And your lordship
Everything.
may-
Get a similar order.
Similar order.
We can't deviate from that.
That's
but
it.
the thing is that the only applicant is asking for an earlier date to take up the matter.
Then all the matters
Because
has to be heard together.
Problem is, my lord, that this is not the only thing. There are other things also. If I can show the amount of huge, these are industries, my lord. Huge amount is involved, my lord. So if I can file my reply and they have to make out.
When can you?
By tomorrow I will file it, my lord.
Lordship,
By
may I
tomorrow
submit
will
one,
file it.
just one,
Because this is
Lordship,
a huge public
subject to whatever, Lordship. Lordship, the bill date is of 31st.
But I can show that
Lordship,
4 bills.
If I may, please, Lordship, just the bill date is of 31st. I ask myself this question, tomorrow if I don't pay this bill, then there is a mandate in the Electricity Act that 14 days time in any case will be given. Now, till 14 days time, they cannot disconnect whatsoever. Now, whatever is happening, now there is a fixed matter.
See, the thing is that, see,
Nothing will happen.
The anxiety
I assure you that nothing will happen.
No, disconnection will...
No, nothing will. No need, your lordship, nothing will happen. If your lordship...
take down this matter being similar to WC number 4 of 2025 and WC number 925, wherein interim orders have been passed by this court on 27/1/2025. The said order past reparation shall also apply to the instant case. Now, what about the fixation of date?
Your lordship, so far as the matter is concerned, my lord, if your lordship will see what is under, if I briefly place my case, my lord.
That person is not sitting in a bedroom. So sit up.
Sit.
Yes.
Yes. The issue is, my lord, that there is a tariff order which has been fixed for financial year 24-25, my lord. In terms of tariff order, the bills are being raised on the parties. They are bound by the law also to make the payment. Now the plea which they are taking before your lordship that we have challenged the tariff order, therefore we are not liable to pay the arrears. That's their whole case, my lord.
No, Lordship. Then I will let me place my case. He has totally misguided the thing.
If your lordship kindly see the...
We're not hearing the matter today.
No, false, because what he is saying, that is not my case.
Tariff order is under challenge. That is a tariff order and order is under challenge. And what they are saying is that tariff order is also in question in the previous order, your lordship. That's the whole case. The tariff order is a judicial order. That order, there is no stay, my lord. That order has to be implemented. If I do not recover the money, if I show only 2 pages of the tariff order, my lord, kindly see only 2 pages. Why I say so? Because earlier I was not having brief. Page 145, my lord. Kindly see
of the writ petition.
Of the writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
7.3.4, my lord. Total ARR for financial year 24-25 work out to be 1663.26 crore and revenue of existing work out at 1462 crore rupees, my lord. There is a shortfall also, my lord. The problem is that we have to pay wages to our employees, everything. And then your lordship kindly see their bills, my lord. What they are asking for stay, my lord. At least they are asking for it. Kindly see the page 148. 148 the amount. And these orders, my lord, kindly see page 146.
The bill.
146 also. 146.
Only the difference.
No, no difference. Your lordship,
Lordship,
kindly see
I
page
have to say he
146.
is giving out false. 148 is not the state that we are seeking. 153 is the page bill that we are seeking. 148 is not.
I'm not saying that. Kindly see page 146, my lord. I will say everything which is there on record. I will not hide because I don't believe in this shadow boxing match. 146. 11. The Commission considers that in cases of any recovery of arrears, the same shall be billed in 9 equal installments starting from December 24, my lord. Now kindly see, this order was passed, my lord, in October. They are coming. I'm just let me finish.
We'll understand.
Yes, and then your lordship kindly see the bills. There are 3 bills which have been there. One, I'm not saying that there is a stay, and their letter is, my lord, kindly see at page 150. Page 50. That is on 23rd December. Please refer to electricity bill cited. You have raised the electricity bill at the rate of 6.4 kVA, fixed charges as per MSCRC order, which is sub judice before the Honorable High Court. In this regard, we wish to inform that esteemed customer of MET, we are making payment of entire bill amount subject to differential amount under protest as the matter under
You already consented to pay the differential.
and so then my lord, kindly see
differential amount, Lordship, what they are saying is that there is a tariff order. Lordship, that's why I'm saying there is a little confusion. Lordship may come to page number 29 for a moment, just for a moment.
Just come back to 150. You have given you're undertaking.
Yes, what is that?
We should form an esteem. We are making payment entire bill amount subject to differential.
No,
amount.
which protest? Which bill,
Subject to
Lordship?
differential amount under protest.
No, which bill, Lordship? This bill is page 1. If I may complete, I may just be 148. And now, Lordship, what had happened is that we have been paying the bills till October 2024 as per the tariff order dated. Which is passed on
that
11.
That was already stayed.
No, that was not 11/4/23. That was the amount, because since we have been using it, we had to pay a bill. So they have been raising a bill as per 11/4/23. Lordship may please be pleased to come to page number 21, 29 just for a moment. Just for a moment.
No, only thing, see, today we don't need.
No, Lordship,
listen. The only thing that you'll get the same order, but only with the fixation of the date for hearing the matters as well.
Lordship, that 7 they had to file a petition. They themselves have said that they'll file by 7. We have to give an
because he is not the only industrial consumer, my lord, and they will not be paying because we are already reeling with the financial crisis, and they will not be paying this tariff order. If they are aggrieved as a consumer, they can't even challenge before this honorable court. GCR, APTEL, and therefore now because even the first writ petition, my lord, it is only limited to the maintainability of writ petition. Therefore, at this stage, my lord, injuncting the corporation from recovering the amount, in that too in tariff matters, my lord. So only thing is, so I was praying, my lord, that if your lordship is
you have to come with proper mention tomorrow. Then you file a mention memo for all the matters.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
List together with the WC number
5.
This 4 and 9, my lord. 4 of 2025 and 9 of 2025, my lord.
Deeply obliged.
You file a
yes, ma'am. I oblige, my lord. All the